How to fix Minecraft launcher not opening. Easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first just make sure you have enough space. So first just go to your PC here and see if you have enough space or not, and that's it. If you don't have enough space, just go to settings and go to settings and go to apps and close uninstalled applications that you don't need, and that's it. Now let's move to the next step. The next step is to go to privacy and scroll down and go to background apps and turn off all the background apps here, and then type here Minecraft, right click on it, go to app settings, and now once you're here, click terminate and then click repair, and that's it. Now try again, go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix it, click reset. You will lose your data, but that will help you to fix your problem. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.